Good morning, respected parents and my dear students. How are you all? Before starting our today's topic, I would like to show today's resources. Resources which we need are sprouted seeds. अंकुरित बीज हमें चाहिए. राजमा, ग्राम्स यानी चने का, पल्सेस यानी दालें. इफ यू डोंट हैव द स्प्राउटेड, आपके पास स्प्राउटेड सीड्स नहीं है तो आप पिक्चर्स भी ले सकते हैं जैसे मैंने लिए, लाइक दिस, this or this. Next is a notebook and next is a pencil. Before starting our today's topic, I would like to request my respected parents. Dear parents, please do not give the answer directly to your child. The questions whichever I am asking, please ask the same question by pausing the video and get the answer from your child. Let them think. Today we will talk on grade 5 science. Block number 1, that is germination of seeds. Before starting our today's topic, I would like to ask the question from the previous topic. My question is, dear students, let me know if are the same kind of seeds take the same time to germinate? The same type of seeds may not take same time to germinate. Now, I would like to ask one more question. Please let me know, what is your age? 8 years? Maybe 9 or 10. Okay. Now ask the age of your parent who is sitting nearby you. Maybe 25, 30 or more than 30. Okay. Now let me know, when you were a small baby, at that time, क्या आप जैसे आज हो ऐसे ही थे या कुछ और थे, या पापा इतने बड़े थे? ओके, छोटे थे. अच्छा, अपने पापा से पूछो, जब वो पैदा हुए थे तो क्या वो इतने बड़े पैदा हुए थे, या आप इतने पैदा हुए थे, या न्यूबॉर्न बेबी थे? यस, जब हम होते पैदा तब वी यूज्ड टू बी अ न्यूबॉर्न बेबी. इन न्यूबॉर्न बेबी होते हैं, फिर हम टॉडलर बनते हैं. इसको हम बोलते हैं लाइफ साइकिल ऑफ ह्यूमन बीइंग. आई विल शो यू. Just have a look. This is the life cycle of a human being. The first stage is newborn baby. Next, second stage, toddler. Third, childhood. Fourth, school age. Fifth, teenager. Sixth, young adult. Seventh, adult. And eighth is old. Now, please tell me, do the insects or the animals also have the life cycle like a human being? Yes, we all have the life cycle. Now let me know, what about a seed? Do seed have a life cycle, or जिस हमने सीड मिट्टी खोदी डाल दिया और वो डालते ही नेक्स्ट डे यू इतना बड़ा पेड़ बन जाएगा, उस पर आम लग जाएंगे? आम के सीड अगर हम बोएंगे तो, या उसमें भी स्टेज लेवल छोटा, फिर बड़ा और बड़ा. So our topic is based on this only. So our topic number 4 is stages of germination. The aim of this topic is, we will differentiate between the various stages of germination. हम इस टॉपिक से ये पता करेंगे कि जर्मिनेशन के स्टेजेस क्या क्या है, क्या फर्स्ट होता है, देन क्या होता है, और लास्ट में क्या होता है. कैन यू टेल मी which part of the seed come out first? You are right, because हमने फर्स्ट टॉपिक में पढ़ा है रेडिकल. Okay, now let me know, what happens to कॉटिलेडन जमीन में सड़ जाता है, खत्म हो जाता है, या उसी का पेड़ बनता है? We will see that. So our activity time. Let's move towards our activity. These are the resources which we are going to use because मेरे sprouts थे, उनमें stages clear नहीं थी. That's why I have taken these pictures. आप भी ऐसे pictures ले सकते हैं. Come. I'm going to keep the pictures and you have to arrange them according to the stages. आपने बताना है कि stage 1 कौन सी है, stage 2 कौन सी है, और फिर कौन सी आएगी, then and the last one. Before starting our activity, let's move towards one amazing fact regarding seed. Just have a look. Wow, what a beautiful seed. है ना, जैकफ्रूट जैसा कटहल लग रहा है ना, बट ये कटहल नहीं है, इस सिलिन स्टेनोफिला, और ये साइबेरिया का सीड है. रशियन टीम ने डिस्कवर किया कि ये जो सीड है, इट वॉज बरीड बाय एन आइस एज स्क्विरल. आइस एज की जो गिलहरी थी उसने दबाया था, और ये कंफर्म बात है कि ये 32,000 ईयर्स ओल्ड है. नाउ लेट्स मूव टुवर्ड्स आवर एक्टिविटी. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आपने क्या करना है, यू हैव टू सी द नंबर, लाइक दिस इज द पिक्चर नंबर 1, पिक्चर नंबर 2, पिक्चर नंबर 3, पिक्चर नंबर 4, पिक्चर नंबर 5 एंड पिक्चर नंबर 6. ये मैंने डिसऑर्डर में लगाई हुई है. व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, आपको इनको अरेंज करना है कि कौन सा स्टेज पहले आएगा, फिर कौन सा आएगा, फिर कौन सा, एंड लास्ट में कौन सा. पूरा करिए. रिस्पेक्टेड पेरेंट्स, प्लीज हेल्प योर चाइल्ड इन कीपिंग दीज पिक्चर्स इन ऑर्डर. Next, after doing this, then you have to write, you have to draw the same pictures in your notebook by stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, all the stages of germination, and write down ki what is happening in the picture, stage में क्या हो रहा है. So I'm going to show you how you can do. Just have a look. You have to write stage 1, then stage 2, then stage 3, and so on. This, like this. So, I hope you all have done. Let's do the activity. The stage 1 is radical comes first. So, this should be on the place of first. It's not a sixth. Next. Radical के बाद the plumule come. Okay, this is not the second. Then the plumule, a leaf. It's a root and it's a shoot. Next, the plumule आया है तो it will come out of the soil. Then third stage, it is correct stage. Wow, good. Then the fourth, एक leaf आया है. Then second, 2-3 more leaves will come. This is the fourth stage. Next, ये आया है, then the cotyledon will come out of the soil. Here is the cotyledon. In these stages 1, 2, 3 and 4, the cotyledon is inside the soil. ये cotyledon जो है वो जमीन के अंदर है, बट अब वो जमीन के बाहर आ गया है. और लास्ट स्टेज में क्या हुआ, cotyledon कहाँ गया, cotyledon fall off, cotyledon गिर गया. क्योंकि जो cotyledon आपने पढ़ा था हमारे टॉपिक 1 में, दैट cotyledons provides the food to the seed. बट जब लीव्स आ जाती हैं तो एज यू हैव रेड अबाउट द फोटोसिंथेसिस प्रोसेस, की फोटोसिंथेसिस प्रोसेस जो होता है उसमें जो लीव्स होती है अपना खाना खुद बनाती है. सो अब लीव्स आ गई, सो द cotyledon गिर जाता है. नाउ डन. नाउ सी द एक्टिविटी अगेन. स्टेज 1, radical appears. Stage 2, plumule appears. Stage 3, plumules come out of the soil. Stage 4, Leaves come out. Stage 5. Cotyledon comes out. See the cotyledon? Stage 6. Cotyledons fall off and leaves start to make their own food. Dear students, just have a look. There is one video based on stages of germination. It's a day 1. See how the radicle is coming out and it's going down deep inside the soil. See how the roots are being formed. Have a look towards this plumule is coming out, see, and see the cotyledons, see, and the plants start growing. See the plumule, see, the cotyledon is here, plant, see, it's going towards the light. More leaves are coming out. See, you can see here also. There is no cotyledon. It fell down because the leaves starts making its own food with the help of the photosynthesis process. Now I would like to ask the question. Just see the first question. What did you observe? Seeds do not form seedlings directly. They pass through many stages. Next question is, what is the order of the stages? The first stage is when radicle appears. This is the radicle. The next stage is when plumule appears. The third stage is when plumule comes out of the soil. The fourth stage is when the leaves come out of the soil. The fifth stage is when the cotyledon come out of the soil. And the last stage is when the cotyledon fall off because the leaves start making their own food with the help of a photosynthesis process. The next question is, why does the radicle come out first? The radicle appears first to support the seed to the soil and absorb water from the soil. The next question is, what provides food to the germinating seed till leaves appear? Till the leaves start making food for the plant, the cotyledons provide food. The next question is, why do we grow some crops transplanting seedling and others by directly sowing seeds in the field? ट्रांसप्लांटिंग का मतलब कोई सीड लगाना और जब उसमें से पौध छोटा सा उसमें से अंकुर निकलने लगे उसको फिर वहां से निकालकर दूसरी जगह लगा देना. Transplanting is done to provide suitable conditions for the seeds to form seedling, after which they are transplanted and can grow on their own. What is the importance of seedling in the life cycle of plants? The formation of a seedling is like the formation of baby inside the mother. The seedling can undergo all the life process like respiration and photosynthesis by itself. Respected parents, please help your child in doing S4 of page number 12. In this, question number 1 is, explain what is happening in each stage of germination. Here you have to see the pictures very carefully and you have to write, like
इसमें in this radicle is coming here plumule, here cotyledons are coming out of the soil, and last the leaves are making the food by themselves from photosynthesis. The second question is, how is the formation of seedling in plants similar to the formation of babies in animals? Dear student, please read stages of germination of seeds from page number 4 of content book. The homework is that you have to do practice question number 7, practice question number 8 of page number 6 in notebook. Question number 7 is, draw a diagram to show the stages of germination. 8th is, to make sprouts at home, we soak the seeds overnight and then drains the excess water. Why do we drain the excess water? Just have a look. It is the biggest seed, this one. Its name is Cocodemur. They are found in Seychelles, and Seychelles is an island in Indian Ocean of East Africa. So let's sum up the stages of germination. The first stage is radicle appears. The second stage is plumule appears. The third stage is plumule coming out of the soil. The fourth stage, leaves come out. Fifth stage, cotyledons come out. And the last stage is cotyledons fall off and leaves start to make their own food. Before saying bye, I would like to show you one more amazing fact. This is the most beautiful seed in the world, and its name is Chinese lantern. It is a seed pot of it. I know you all will be doing all the work very nicely in a very good handwriting. Thank you and have a nice day.